Legal on the glass is at 59 at 27 hertz.
All right. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So, man, Sundown Audio Show. About to get a demo of this one. He's next. I'm coming in. Emma? How you doing, man? Can I get Jacob? What's going on, man? You too, man. Is there a way you put windows up real quick so I can get some info?
Yeah. Get some AC going.
Yeah. All right. So we're at the Sundown show. What's your name, man? What you got?
My name's Casey Kavarik. I got 4 ZV6 18s on a Salt 12K half ohm. A bunch of lithium. 2 370 CES.
Nice. So these are the ZV6, so the newer subs for the 2021. Okay.
Yeah. I've already blown 2 of them. We were at Slamology. I blew 2 of them, so then I recounted all 4 to dual ones. And
wow. So. Who built the box?
Me and my buddy. You know Mokel, fire truck?
Yes, fire truck. Yes.
Yeah, we with the skill saw, bro. This whole thing.
Yep.
No table saw was used this whole
wow.
Build. Yeah.
No table saw, man.
Yeah, it's
solid.
Yeah. We have I work in a custom shop, so
okay.
The interior and stuff like this way, the leather and all that we did there.
Yes, sir.
And this my dumb one.
Sweet.
Yeah.
All right. Well, yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
All right.
All right.
We'll find a song here.
Sure. How much lithium was back there?
It's 140 amp hour.
140 in that box. Wow, man.
Power hog lithium.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Casey system. He was at the Sundown show in North Carolina showcasing this. Brutal 18 to 27 hertz of bass demos. I got 3 people inside with reactions as well as me inside. Crazy subflex, and actually was really impressive to see how much power this 12,000 watt amp was pushing to these 18-inch subs. So these subs, I looked up the specs, curious of how much power they're rated at. 2,500 watt RMS, 4 18-inch subs, and a 6th order. If you look real close behind the subs, there actually is a back port. I wish I would have found out the cubic specs or also the tuning. So based off of the musical response of the system demo I got, it's probably tuned to 18 to 20 hertz in that back port. Really powerful 12,000 watt amp. At least that's what it says it's rated at, 12,000 watts at 12.6 volts. And I'm pretty sure he's got this wired at half ohm, so he's getting all the juice to his subs. Brutal demo. And I like the way he has his amplifier staging on the side for all of his speaker and tweeters. Amplifiers, really good option to do whenever you install a wall like this. And he did a good job building it all out of just some basic tools, he said. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit that like button and comment what you like about his system, and hit that notification bell and subscribe for daily videos coming your way every day on Jacob Vile, and enjoy this 5-minute demo.
man, took a vacation. If I could go back then, I probably would just stay and beg you, run your mouth all over town. And this one goes out to the sound of breaking glass on my radio for pain. That could get you down from all the presents I would send. Fuck my bitch, you crazy. See the X and O's on another note. Fuck these balls, man, this shit can crazy. I've been out wildin' with these young niggas lately. Fucking all the pretty bitches, man, this shit can crazy. I'm blessed with price, lifestyle too much for night. I've been on some player shit, boots out nigga don't make it. You was not the reason I'm pulling up in the latest. West side nigga home, I don't need no favors.
Man, that's low too.
Yeah, 18,
Way low.
18
Wow.
hertz. It peaks at 27.
27 for your lows?
Yeah.
Wow.
Legal on the glass is at 59 at 27 hertz.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. I appreciate the demo, man. Very
Appreciate
nice
it, bro.
job.
Appreciate
Hey, you have a good day, man.
You too, man.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow. Good work, man.
Appreciate it.
Everybody be sure to subscribe. How you doing? Sorry, I'm taking one more shot. Hit the like button. That was a great demo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.